procurement zona. Tulay na. Luka nung agtusit ka mo doon doon. Kaya takot na maumada nga.
At tapos sa liwanag po,
Temporary ako.
liwanag na po. Pala na, sabi. Shit pa, pati darila na. Okay, no? 20.
33. Buksan mo, papasok mo. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Tatatagyan ng titikwan ng take kami. Tulutan na kami ka nagipalay.
Ako lang ang nasa tinutahan.
No!
Ba't parang wala akong naririnig? Naglalag ba?
Kaan na nagipalay.
Naglalag ba yung laptop ko? Naglag na. Saan na yung cursor ko?
Dahil mo lang kami. Dahil lang kami.
Wala na, naglolo ko yung Discord.
Ya, isa imagine sa tatid guys, misal.
Uy, ba't naglolo ko ka Discord?
Sa Italia?
Open na ako dito sa kabila. Discord. Ilan yung kalaban? 15? Puro dyan. Ayun, dito si Jisoo. Jisoo Life. Bap. Nagkaaway ba yung Chinese? Login na naman ako. Open Discord. Mamaya naman, wait lang. Lapit ka dito.
Bigkita mo na ako.
Nagre-record ako, B.
Big.
Nagre-record ako. Nagre-record ako. Okay. Here. Good.
Are you here, Nezuko? Go up. Nezuko. Okay, we got another warrior. Check Korean name.
Guys, crafting material is already destroyed na.
Okay, nice.
Nice.
Human,
Thank you.
sedative.
You man, don't forget to throw Seda. Nice, guys. Nice. Keep it up. Enemy commander spotted, guys.
May kalaban. I have
Find the,
in their base.
Okay, wait. I'll go beacon.
Naglolo ko yung discard.
Okay, nice. I think they're only
I think
16. They're only 16. We can interrupt their beacon.
yes.
Yes. We can.
Just go sneaky, guys.
Just stick together.
And
Just stick together the solo.
enemy at me, guys. Enemy at me.
Maes,
I'm
did
going
you destroy their crafting?
Yes.
They're alright.
Destroy.
Okay.
Already destroyed.
Okay, we're gonna interrupt their beacon. They're only 16. But they're
Focus on occupying, guys. I'm on position.
They're so masakit. Hayop.
Guys, dito.
I can penetrate them, guys. I can penetrate them.
Their heater is so not tanky. Go with their heater. Ignore the warrior.
I can kill their diamond knight, guys.
Wait lang guys, lalapag muna ako.
Okay, I got their RK. This is the sniper. Fuck, they're flying.
Ayusin their commander.
Tangina, mga aswang ata to. Wait lang. Again, ignore. Focus on beacon.
Did you guys see the beacon? So I can respond.
Beacon. The crafting tools they have destroyed na, guys. Focus on occupying beacon. Meron na sila meron na isa.
Intercept beacon.
Copy. Be careful on the rooftop, guys, because someone using bow.
Intercept their
I can
sniper.
kill the guys. I can kill the warrior.
Can't find the beacon. What
Ako
the
pa di
fuck?
masakit yung ito.
I almost killed their warrior, guys.
Don't forget
Just
to
focus
help
on
the defense team. Pause in 25 seconds. Pause pound in 25 seconds.
Guys,
Copy, copy.
get the beacon, guys. Get the beacon almost uploaded.
I'm trying to search the beacon.
Okay, one down. Find the beacon, what the fuck?
I think I see the beacon on my way.
Intercept the beacon.
Guys, don't do too much PvP. We need to take the beacon, enemy beacon.
Guys, take
Guys,
the...
focus on their base, focus on their base. We outnumbered here, them.
Trying to find the beacon, but I can see the beacon. Trying.
I'm down,
I
I'm
can
down.
see.
Okay.
They're all bleeding,
No,
ah.
no,
They're all
yeah.
bleeding. Kill. They're all bleeding. Escort.
Shit, labla ko, Paps. Gago.
Protect beacon, guys.
Check the priority of beacon, guys. Priority of beacon. Office team,
Alright.
retreat. Protect the beacon. Enemy commander, see the enemy commander. Chasing the beacon holder.
Just check, beacon interceptor.
Someone's running in high ground, ah.
Copy.
Just...
Okay. Clear.
Oh,
Clear high ground.
shit.
Too many enemy chasing the beacon, guys. Too many enemy.
Okay, Neso ko. Kill Neso ko.
Who can put, tawag dito?
Trampoline.
Ah,
Wall?
Tropelin. On their base.
Airdrop, guys, airdrop. Check map. Airdrop.
Well,
I can kill that one, oh.
Airdrop.
kill commander.
Yeah, yes. We can do this, guys. We can do this.
Agony going to airdrop. I'm going to back up you, Celestine.
Putang ina.
Oy, aray. Dalawa.
Wait lang.
Squadless,
Sorry.
prio airdrop. Squadless, prio airdrop.
Beacon got by the commander. Kill this commander so that the Paps will gonna...
Nawala.
Okay, bleeding, commander bleeding. Okay, nice. Down.
Nice. We get the airdrop.
Get the beacon.
Back to all, VJ.
Teka lang.
Squadless, go. Let's go back.
Okay.
Go ahead. Evil team.
I killed Donald, ah. Sorry to worry, guys.
Beacon. Guys, beacon. Go back to. Also, Nesha ko take the terminal.
I'm holding their base, guys.
Okay.
Okay, others, get the small beacon. Get the small terminal.
Gaga. Hindi pa kumasya.
For now, I'm going to help the defense team.
Okay. Nandiyan ka na. Sige.
Fuck, wait.
Guys, I'm occupying their base, ah. Just focus on occupying, guys.
Wait, I think Mir accidentally logged in her account. Wait.
I'm holding their base.
Okay,
Guys,
wait.
we need trampoline here. Where's the trampoline? I have the beacon. Oh, maybe here. Anchor here.
Lagging.
Lag.
Uy! Binabara.
Okay,
Guys,
Wall.
Get this, guys. Get this one. From their base.
Kata ko
Okay, by beacon,
kalaban
guys.
bumaril.
I'm holding them.
Office team, let's go to their base. Office team.
Occupy team, go in base. I'm holding them.
Nana. Don't go there, Nana. Get terminal, Nana. Get terminal.
We still have 1 minute and 17 seconds for boss pound, so just push the terminal first. Enemy terminal.
1, 2, 3.
Right. Take it.
Okay, we got all the terminal. Secure terminal. Don't let them get the terminal. Almost done with my terminal. Again, objectives. Don't do more PvP.
Trying to clear the boss respawn. Trying to clear the boss.
Okay, nasa ko.
Area.
Respo for 2 beacons. We got 2 beacons.
Okay.
Okay, Commander.
Guys, we can do this, guys. We can do this, guys.
Commander.
Let's go help them. Go to
Commander.
enemy, please.
On our base.
To help the terminal. 29 seconds. 27 seconds for boss pound.
We'll get the commander. Wait. Commander on our base.
God.
Two commanders
Clear
on our base.
the area. Clear the area.
Guys, I can
For boss respawn.
kill their I can kill their sniper.
We trying to get to beacon. DPS team, prepare. Check the map. We trying to get to beacon here.
Two commander on our base. Two commander. Please help secure. Commander trying to put spawn area near our base.
I got the beacon.
Get the beacon, guys, here in their base, guys.
Nice.
Nice.
We take
Go
the
to
two
our
beacon,
base,
guys.
guys. There's no beacon in their base.
Don't put that beacon.
Open steam, pull back, disengage. Help the defense team.
Disengage,
We got the two
okay.
beacon. We got the two
Again,
beacon. Pull back defense team. Ayan,
Check map. Go to us.
Ay, mali. Naklik
Oy,
ko.
someone's...
Go to Mocha.
Someone take the beacon. Okay. Let's go.
One
Let's
commander
go to our
down.
base.
Take this another commander. Okay, nice. Okay, clear. Bring the beacon.
Copy.
Protect Ann. Ann holding the beacon. Protect.
You're dead,
I'm using
bitch.
Al.
Okay, bring it to the top. Aimless. Bring.
Copy.
Ay,
Wait.
saan?
We'll put
What
the.
area here?
Come here.
Here. I see.
Bring it to the second floor.
Saan si
Here?
Ann?
Maybe here? Or not?
Ah, here.
Wait, I cannot see you.
Disengage, guys. Disengage.
The beacon. There's still a beacon. The second beacon.
Wait. I'll carry the
Beacon should
beacon.
be.
Where's the other beacon?
Okay, Nesha. Come here to defend the beacon.
Okay, nice.
So I can back down. I drop Guys, I drop. Some of you come with me.
Bring here, nice.
Airdrop, go airdrop, guys.
Nice. Come here. Nice. There. Right. Shit.
Agony.
I'm going
Let's go.
I'm going to take my position, guys.
Again, human. Use sedatives.
Wait lang,
Seda.
guys.
Human.
Just follow lead of
Okay, the
Aimless
airdrop
and-
has fallen.
Okay, nice. Good job, Haze. Dauntless. I'll revive you. Wait.
Wait,
Shit.
where's the airdrop?
Oh, shit. I'm down.
Here.
Sorry.
Okay, nice one.
Don't chase the enemy, guys. Don't chase the enemy.
Sakit naman ng DK na to.
We need to defend the two beacon, also our
Guys,
terminal.
get the beacon, guys. Follow the beacon. I'm the back.
Copy. On my way to support.
Shit.
Just
Office
kill
team,
them,
let's go. Office team, let's take the beacon. Priority the beacon, not the kill.
Again, look in the map. There's like a terminal.
They all kill. Guys. Get the beacon.
Destroy
Okay,
their
nice.
terminal. Destroy their terminal. Near our base. There's a spawn area near our base. Destroy it.
Napag mo lang, Malos.
Nalambot siya, pre. Nalambot.
Kaya nga.
Kill.
Sino ba
Oh,
commander na?
bleeding ha. Warrior bleeding. Nice.
Six. Wait. I'll get their spawn area. I think they put spawn area
Yes, sorry.
near our base.
Ay, matapa mo, guys. Wait lang. Uy. The fuck?
Again, somebody check the map. Go to my name.
Guys, kill hitter first.
Okay. I get you.
Again, they have spawn area. Go to my name. I'm almost destroying their spawn area. Okay, got cleared.
Gagi, sakit ang digi na nagamit ko.
Gago ka. Kinuha
Okay,
mo.
I already destroyed their spawn area. All good.
Kill them, guys. Wipe them down.
Trying to intercept the
Just
enemy.
ready spawn area on power plant. Don't drop it right now. We'll just reserve it on the power plant. Okay, nice.
Boy, di ka makakatakbo, boy.
We're gonna
Nice
intercept
guys,
the beacon.
nice.
Di ka makakatakbo,
Going
boy.
to enemy base.
Get the beacon.
Ang lalambot niya, boy. Ang lalambot.
Okay. Aimless, holding the beacon. Please
Copy.
protect.
Copy.
Get.
I'm here now.
Okay. Wipe.
I'm here now, supporting the beacon holder.
Okay. Huawei holding the
The
beacon.
account I'm using now is in the OP. The DK1. Okay, take the beacon.
Okay, another boss. Take down the
Naglalag
boss.
ka,
Take down.
Malus. Okay.
Take down another boss. I believe we need to bring it in the power plant.
Copy.
This other one. Okay. Sun is holding. Bring it to.
Okay, San, go. I'll support you.
Wait. I'll get the commander. They're hitting us.
Guys, someone chasing me.
Copy.
Guwapo mo. Someone chasing.
Yeah. Someone chasing me. He's so gay.
Sorry. I'll do that now.
He's so gay.
Okay lang, humihingi ka na ng backup mo. Ginagawa
Pre,
ko.
humihingi na ako ng tulong, pre.
Ginagago ka ba? No?
Okay. Aim is going back to enemy base.
Oh, they so
Ah.
itchy.
Since there's no terminal, we can do TVP now. But
It's
TVP,
so
don't
ouch.
forget to defend our vehicle.
Pre, it's so ouchy.
I think we can bring the second beacon to the power plant.
Okay na.
Komedante ang puta.
It's already opening. Or
DK, pagpapatuloy nyo sa DK, para makulit pa naman yan, sakit eh.
kaya nga sakit putang eh.
Kaya
Totoo
naman
ako
natin
kami
yung
account
dating
niya.
yan. Kunin mo yung account niya, pre.
Tuloy dyan,
Patay natin.
Patay dyan. Para makuha
Get
yung
them
katawan.
account. Get them account.
Guys, kill the DK. I'm going to take the body.
I'm going to, swap my body.
There's
Ano?
another one, the commander, kill the commander so that
Ay,
they don't have
boy.
ups. Okay, Sarah. Let's go. Kill the commander.
Why you're running, guys?
Putang
What
na,
the fuck?
running rabbit ang puta.
Ito, bilis tumakbo ah.
Diyan na sa'yo, diyan na sa'yo. Slow mo. Patayin natin yan.
Oh, dahil kayo. Ubus kayo, boy.
Tara, next natin yan. Very good. Nesoko. Drop the beacon, I'll hold the beacon. Nesoko, drop the beacon. I'll hold the beacon.
Mocha will hold the beacon. We'll just going to defend.
Okay, we go up. Okay.
Airdrop. Office team, focus on airdrop. Office team.
Destroy the floor so that it will gonna go drop to the second floor.
Nice.
Occupy,
Good
guys.
job.
Nice.
Let's go. The office team, let's go to their base.
Occupy, guys. I will dep.
Nice. There you go. Okay. We'll secure the beacon here, Celestine.
This one. Let's go.
So that it won't gonna be...
Okay. Noted.
Guys,
Pinapatay kayo ng sarili nyo ako. Ang sarap pag-empty.
okay,
Guys, occupy their beacon, guys. Occupy their beacon.
Okay guys, let's pause the terminal. The little terminal.
MC
Let's go,
spawning,
let's
ah.
go.
Again, the beacon, the last beacon will gonna...
The last beacon, we...
Put it on
Okay.
the power plant.
Ano here? Okay. Oh no, someone toasting me.
Okay, nice. We're gonna hold this beacon, nice. I think may jammer ata tayo. Wait lang.
Check jammer, guys. Check jammer.
No. Wait. They don't have a jacket.
I mean, we can put jammer with them.
Ah, yes.
Okay, Aimless and Malos take the beacon to the nuclear.
Copy on my way.
Okay ka lang?
Quadless, let's go.
Okay, almost done with the beacon. 4, 5, okay. Nice. Everyone is following objective. Thank you.
Guys, occupy their base. Hold them.
Mwa? Sino tong Mwa na to? AFK sa base? Mwa?
Ang pangit na wala.
Buisit ang puta.
Akala ko po biyasa ang wakala. Ba't lumalandi ka pa?
Ayop na yan. Bakit?
Sigado yan, bitch.
Don't AFK on the base, Mwa. Go to terminal.
Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag ka sasama kay Wixie.
Buisit kasing pangalan yan, Mwa.
Ay.
Enemy commander.
Okay. Power plant got uploaded. Permanent power plant got open. Everyone, leave their base. Go to power plant. EU, Reckless, go to power plant. Nugitson ni. Protect the beacon in the power plant. I'll just hold.
Guys, don't take the ticket. Don't take the beacon. Don't take it. Okay, it's fine.
Again, bring 2 beacons in the power plant. That's gonna be
All beacon holder, go to power plant. All beacon, go to power plant.
Nice, you can already support them. Nice. I'll just hold this last beacon
Guys, we need here. No. Dito, Imis.
here in the window.
Above.
You can go here in the window. No, you cannot. Just
Guys, go to the power plant, guys. Go to the power plant.
Just destroy the wall. I'll hold this last beacon. You can go with them.
Buhawi. Only here in power plant.
Hindi may makalabas ni Nice, ah. Paano tayo makakalabas na ito, Nice? I think you can crouch
Oy!
there. Okay. I'll just hold the last beacon. Everyone go to power plant. Go to power plant. Malos, Nesoko, go to power plant.
All members, offense, defense team, let's go to power plant.
Just ready spawn area, power plant. I'm just holding the last beacon on our base. Korean, Korean, go to power plant. Nana,
Let's go.
ignore their base.
Why?
Okay. Sarah.
I'm going.
Nugetsune, I think Nugetsune is AFK on our base.
I'm just provoking them.
Okay.
Airdrop,
Let's go,
airdrop.
guys. Let's go.
Good,
Power
come
plant.
here, Ruth. Good, come here. Yeah, say here. Good.
Come here, guys. Come here.
All defense and offense team and defense team come here at the... No. Mowa, Gibo, take the airdrop. Mocha, Nogitsune. Take the airdrop.
Take the airdrop, guys.
Wait, I'm holding
Come
the
with me, come with me.
Okay.
Take the airdrop.
Gibo and Moa, take the airdrop. Help
Come with me.
Gibo. I think
I'm going.
Okay, Nogitsu. Okay.
Wala
okay,
akong
Sarah.
ano sa'yo. I
Um,
don't care about you.
Gibo cannot do the warrior.
Where's the airdrop? Oh, shit.
No, it's okay, guys. Okay. We already get the 3 airdrop.
Leon, do you
Dito
want to
pala yung daan
enter the
ko.
war,
Tignan yun.
Leon?
Okay.
Wala si Pirata sa loob.
I'm interrupting them, guys, ha? They're going to our base.
AFK yata si Sen, ah.
Holy
Someone going our base, guys.
I'm holding the beacon
Uh,
on our base.
I'm going to kill this one.
Secure power
Just
plant,
do you
secure
have,
power
this is command post? Temporary revival, boy.
They got the airdrop. That's fine.
You're dead, bitch. Up. Bye. I'm just going to them for a while here in our base, guys.
Nice. Enemy commander.
I think they get another beacon.
Kukunin ko tong beacon natin.
I'm holding the beacon, Paes, on the base.
I'm here.
Pug. Damn it.
Okay, we're gonna end this one fast. We're almost 7k points, 6-3. Almost done with
Guys,
my
be alert. Don't AFK. Be alert. Especially the beacon holder.
beacon. Again, refresh your buffs. I think it already got expired. Okay. I'm done with
What the
my
fuck?
beacon. Wait, I'll get the terminal.
Dude,
Okay, Gibo, I'll go with you. We're gonna secure terminal.
nice. I'm here.
I think, Sarah, we can get that another beacon. There's another beacon. We're gonna come out.
I'm gonna get their beacon, guys.
Okay, 19 seconds. We'll kill the boss. Bring it to the power plant. We'll get this beacon. 7k points. Good job, everyone. Thank you for listening.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes.
Kill this one. Kill 3 of them.
You man, don't forget to throw Seda so they can move faster.
Okay, almost down. Okay, wipe. One more, commander. Shit, ang sakit. Puta. Wait lang. Dalawang commander. Lang, Sarah, hindi ako makagalaw.
Kaya yan, boy.
Wait lang.
Wala ka sa akin. Kaya ko yan, boy. Ayan mo, pinapaulan ko, boy, oh.
Gago, malala.
Nice.
Pre, naliligo, pre, naliligo.
Wait lang. Pa-help sa iba. Pa-help, pa-support sa beacon.
Let's go. Let's go to the beacon.
I can kill them all.
Team, all team.
Mga bitch.
Down
All
na.
team, let's go.
Yung bumabaril pala sa akin sa likod, gago. Kaya pala may nangingilit eh. Gusto mo damhin yung bagong violet ko na na attachment. Yun.
Ay.
All team, let's
Inupo
go.
ako, pre.
Let's go
Pre,
take
inupo ako,
the
pre.
beacon.
Aray.
Okay. Good job, Mais.
Ay, gago.
Tiga
Gago,
to, tiga.
dami.
Wait. We're gonna wipe them out. Wipe out. Putang ina, may nagpe-flamethrower. Hayop. Bobo lang aim. Putang ina, patay ako. Gago, puta. Flamethrower. Guys, get the beacon.
Alip ka mo ka. Ang dami
Alvin.
ng kalabang ko.
Gago, napitas natin yung 10. Hayop, dalawa lang muna tayo doon.
Pre, napatay ko yung yung commander dalawa.
Kaya nga, gago. Dalawa
Mga
lang muna
bobo.
tayo.
Ubus sila eh.
Okay, we're almost 9k points. Good job, everyone. Good shit. Get the beacon near our enemy base. We're gonna bring it to power plant. Wait. Okay, secure beacon. We're holding it right now. Gago, putang ina, tibag ka pang putang ina ka. Gago ka.
Gago ka.
Bubo ang puta. Tibag mo siya, puta. Sino yun?
Oy.
Down
Oy.
ako. Ayop.
Oy.
Toto, wala niya.
Oy.
Salamat sa
Punit.
Rest po.
Punit.
Guys, let's match the beacon. Enemy beacon. Office
Okay,
team, office team.
airdrop. Secure airdrop. Somebody's getting it.
Putang ina, kulit ko
May
kapit
one,
ka ba
may
dito? Malapit sa kumunoy, pre, oh. Malapit sa kumunoy. Patay ka na ba?
Hello, Summer, Doubtless. Reckless, go to airdrop.
Go to
Support.
airdrop. Go
Voucher.
to airdrop.
Okay, nanta. Ayaw mo mag-escort. Ang kulit mo kanina ka pa.
Go to airdrop. Okay. Tangina, sakit.
On my way. Guys, support mo, cha. Take the airdrop.
Guys, kill them all. Let's kill them all.
Almost down. Shut them down.
Go in the airdrop.
Inside airdrop. There. Nice. Okay, we got it.
Galit airdrop.
Tangina,
Uy, dami. Uy.
Okay, we got the airdrop.
Ang sakit.
We need to get the other beacon.
Okay. Let's go back. Let's help the office team. Guys, let's go. Let's go to their base.
Tagal naman na gano'n.
I'm going to take the satellite in our base so we can take this care.
Uy, huwag ka na sumali dun. Sasali ka pa dun eh. Ito ka na sa akin.
Occupy their beacon, guys. Occupy their beacon.
Putang ina, tigas pala. Huwag na lang. Sumali ka na dun. Okay. I think everyone is already knowing how to position or get the objective.
Ay, wala akong bandage.
Good shot.
Good shit.
Good shot.
Ayaw mo
Ano ba to? Warrior ba to? Ba't ang lambot?
Yung isang warrior nila, yung DK, yung masakit. Hayop na yan. Putang ina, crit chance siguro na.
Pre, lusa mo. Oh, kita mo yung route? Nakita mo yung route?
Okay, well, take the beacon. We're already 9k points. We're gonna end this.
Oy, ang dami nila.
Go up, go
Oy,
up,
nagtatago ka pa dyan, ha?
go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Ayan, the
Occupy
beacon
ko
is
yung isa.
on
May
the top
nabala
floor.
dyan.
Oy, huwag ka tumakbo, boy.
May nakita akong
Tangin ng
tawa.
Bawal tumakbo
Thrower.
dito.
Okay,
Oy, bawal tumakbo dito, boy.
okay, we're winning. Congrats, guys. Congrats.
Last points, 990.
Oy,
Nice one.
victory.
Nice. Congrats. GG's, thank you.
GG.
Pati yung
GG's,
zero.
thank you guys. Thank you.
Wala.
11-6 lang ako. Hayop ka, Sera.
Okay.
Doon ako
Namatay.
namatay. Napruhan tayo dun eh. Okay, thank you guys. Good
Okay.
shit. That's what we
Pre.
call the objective.
Pre, durog yung mga captain nila sa akin, eh. Takbuhan sila,
Matay
eh.
pa ako sa ano.
Okay, thank you.
GG's,
Okay.
thank you.
GG.
Thank you for the help.
Sabi sa
Wait,
inyo, kaya yan, eh. Kaya naman
Screenshot
yung mga,
ng ano?
thank you, Pops.
Screenshot ng ng points.
Ay, gagi. Hindi ko na, hindi ko na-scroll, gago.
Screenshot ko muna para matapos ko yung player ko.
Ay, sorry, ha. Yung sa akin lang yung na-post ko, guys. Sorry.
Okay.